kapag umuulan, kapag malakas ang karsada lang naman. Pero pagka yung mga may bagyo na talaga, mga iskilita.
Kami po ay part ng 4 phases ng disaster risk management. So yung phases po ay preparation, prevention, rehab, and response.
We were awarded first or champion on Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction Management Plan. First time na naging champion kami last year, we were like second place. So we tried to really make good in such a way that we will get the first prize. We were able to get that. Kaya actually this is not the first time that somebody visited us. Kasi we're part of the best practices na barangay in Pasig. So each time na kunyari, one particular area, binivisit nila kung bakit kami nananalo.
Warning system pag may darating na bagyo?
Meron po kami dito, nilalagay ang aming barangay captain namin, naglagay ng bell, yung ring.
Saka nakikipag-ugnayan mo na siya dun sa kay Cap. Diba, mataas na yung ano namin, yung sa level ng tubig sa may bahay namin. Kailangan na namin mag-evacuate. Tapos pag pumayag na yung kapitana namin, saka na kami.
So show me family, hey, all the blood that I will bleed. Oh, I don't know where I belong, hey, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song, and I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart.
Mga ilan ba usually yung nakakapunta sa sa mga centers?
Kasi nung nangyari yung habagat, lahat na PHA nasa evacuation center, lalo na yung doktor, nurse, nandun din. Yung parang may sila committee. Siya yung sa committee ng mga donation.